To solve for the mode of inheritance for this pedigree, we're going to try and eliminate all the possible modes until we come up with the correct one. Let's start here. It cannot be Y-linked because if a male has the trait on his Y chromosome, he's going to pass it on to all his sons. Next, we're going to look at the top. These two parents do not have the trait and their child does. So that means it's not dominant because dominant traits cannot skip a generation. Any child with it, one of their parents has to have it. Next, now it could be AR, autosomal recessive, because we can't disprove it and it does skip generations, but it's more likely X-linked recessive because X-linked recessive is more often in males. In other words, the females must have been carriers for the trait. So let's set up our legend, assuming that the mode of inheritance is X-linked recessive. We need X's in our alleles, and X little a is affected, X capital A is unaffected. So I'm going to start with the recessive individuals. We know that all the males shaded in have the trait and they are recessive. So all their genotypes are X little a y. Everyone else has an X capital A in their genotype. And the reason that we would know the other allele on the females is that their son or their dad also has the X little a in their genotype. So we'll just finish filling in these genotypes. Now we leave a blank next to the X if we don't know for sure. Don't fill in a little a unless you know for sure there is a recessive allele there.